Do you require bid and performance bonds? BF Bond provides bid bonds, payment bonds, performance bonds, maintenance bonds, and more. These bonds are the proven protection required with guaranteed solutions for all construction, contract, and surety bonds. Using an agency that specializes in bonds can make all the difference in winning the best contracts. As a business owner, you have to be bonded to be competitive in land contracts. Bid and performance bonds provide legal and financial protection for construction projects. Performance bonds ensure the project is completed according to specs. We save you money using A-rated sureties that are Treasury listed. Contractors post payment bonds to guarantee subcontractors and material suppliers on the project will be paid, eliminating potential liens. BF Bond specializes in bonds that make your life easier and stress-free. It's what we do for you. We deal with the stress so you don't have to. Count on us to walk you through every step of applying for bid and performance bonds and obtaining the approval you require. Visit bfbond.com or call 800-921-1008 today for a risk-free consultation with our team members.